Our hope and our ambition is to create a beautiful, aesthetically interesting, seductive machine that handles that corner. One that could be, going down the highway, something that, you could have a range, you could be comfortable, but you would also have like a visceral experience.
Something that was really interesting and also challenging, and a lot of what went on during that 3 to 4 years of development was this idea of make the motorcycle easy for somebody to buy and register and use anywhere in the world.
That was the realization of, I think, what we're founded on, which is what we call now a bespoke production motorcycle. Every Arch motorcycle is a production motorcycle, but it will be unique to each owner. The way that it's fit to them, the way that the livery, the way Arch curates.
The process that the customer goes through, that's very much like the process you'd go through having a full custom motorcycle built. Then you have the advantage, it's a user-friendly, reliable production motorcycle. The plan was always that we would get to 3 models in the lineup. One that was maybe a little bit more sport-oriented, a little bit more aggressive, but still a cruiser version of that. That's the 1S. And then the idea that we would also have a model that we would only make a certain number of, that would hopefully push the boundaries of motorcycle design.
Kind of concept motorcycle.
Something like the Method 143.
It's one thing to have this dream and ambition, but then eventually you have to build it.
The fact that our ambition is what it should be for a production motorcycle company. And so the idea that we're already exploring design 5 years down the road. Is there a KR GT2 and what is that? Is there a 2S and what is that? What comes after the 143? We live in a time right now where there's so much discussion about what will power vehicles in the future. And so the idea of being able to develop our own drivetrains, whether that's electric or internal combustion.
We have a lot of hope and we have a lot of ambition and a desire to create and present something that we love.
I think all those things are really what make Arch what it is.